The chow chow is a beautiful and sweet pet whose looks are reminiscent of a small bear. However, their personality isn't usually the best fit for typical dog lover. Why? Just as any other dog breed, chow chows have their specific advantages and disadvantages. In this video you will see them all. Before we begin with the list, if you are new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe and share the video with other animal lovers. And now for an overview of the top 8 most relevant characteristics of the chow chow dog breed. Number 1. Character. Chow chows are above all characterized by their autonomy and independence. They don't need anyone else to feel good. Chow chows are stubborn, reserved, independent, devoted, and quiet. What is the biggest problem? Chow chows may look gorgeous, but their character makes them demanding for anyone new to the world of dogs. Be patient, inform yourself well, and make sure not to skip the vital steps of training and early socialization if you decide to get a chow chow. It's vital to get them used early to other people, animals, children, strangers, and smells. Now let's look at how chow chows tend to behave toward children, strangers, and other animals. What are they like with children? Chow chows are usually considered a poor choice for families with children. They aren't overly friendly toward anyone, children included. Can they still become good pets? Provided they have been socialized early, and if your kids are a bit older and understand how to treat dogs, chow chows can be good family pets. However, they are unlikely to tolerate rough play and constant cuddling attempts. Apart from early socialization and teaching them how to behave around children, always keep an eye on their interactions. Teach your child never to approach a dog who is sleeping, eating, and never to try taking away the dog's food. How do they act towards strangers? Chow chows tend to be a little suspicious of everyone. They will usually choose one person to form a strong bond with and are distrustful of others. What are they like when faced with other dogs? As you might imagine, the situation over here isn't much better than when it comes to children or strangers. Chow chows will only tolerate dogs and smaller animals such as cats if they grew up with each other, as well as dogs of the opposite sex. Is the chow chow an aggressive breed? When you look at how they behave toward others, you might conclude that chow chows are indeed aggressive dogs. However, if treated properly, these dogs shouldn't exhibit aggression toward anyone. Chow chows are dogs who mind their own business, and as long as nobody is bothering them, they have no reason to be aggressive. Of course, if they grew up poorly with inexperienced or uncaring owners, they can become too autonomous, independent, and even aggressive dogs. Is the chow chow a vocal dog breed? These dogs have a very low tendency to bark. As a general rule, they are quiet dogs who don't bark much. Characteristic number 2. How long do chow chows live? Chow chow dogs live for 9 to 15 years. Are your friends already watching the video with you? If not, please consider sharing the video so they can join us. And if you love animals, join our growing family of animal lovers by subscribing. Characteristic number 3. How to train a chow chow. Training a chow chow is not a simple task. They are stubborn and independent dogs who behave as they see fit. Still, they listen to one owner whom they see as the authority figure. An authoritative owner will start training their chow chow from a very young age, stay persistent, and use positive reinforcement techniques. Successfully training a chow chow requires a sufficient knowledge of dog training techniques, starting at an early age, persistence and consistency, treats and praises, and authority. It's not a good idea to resort to harsh training methods. Not only will they fail, but they will have the opposite effect. I recommend taking a look at my video of the top 10 signs of dog communication to familiarize yourself with the non-verbal signs your pet is sending you and learn how to react adequately to them. Number 4. Care. Chow chows have a mid-level activity requirements, which translates to taking them on a couple of short walks per day as well as one playing session. Try to avoid midday walks. During the summer months, these dogs don't handle high temperatures well. The chow chow's coat, on the other hand, will need to be brushed twice a week to keep it healthy and looking its best. Number 5. Weight. Female Chow Chows can weigh anywhere from 45 to 16 pounds, with males between 55 and 70 pounds. Characteristic number 6. Height. Females tend to be 18 to 20 inches tall, while male Chow Chows are 19 to 22 inches. Characteristic number 7. Are they prone to health issues? Keep an eye out for hip and elbow dysplasia, entropion, deformity of the eyelids, allergies, as well as thyroid problems. Characteristic number 8. Dog food. As with any dog breed, advise selecting high quality dog food to keep your pet healthy and looking beautiful. However, Chow Chows are prone to allergies, so be sure to watch for any signs of one. What makes these dogs the right choice for you? Chow Chows are an excellent choice if you want an independent pet and a quiet and less demanding dog. Chow Chows are not a good choice if you are looking for a dog who is friendly toward children, strangers and animals, and is easy to train. And now for a few more Chow Chow pictures. Picture of some puppies. Photo of an adult dog. As you've been able to see, this dog breed certainly has its fair share of good sides and disadvantages. In short, the Chow Chow is an undemanding, independent and quiet dog. If you know of anything else I failed to mention about the Chow Chow, or if you would like to share your own experience, please leave a comment below the video. And finally, if you enjoyed getting to know the Chow Chow breed, please click the like button and share the video with your friends on Facebook and other social networks. Don't forget to subscribe and join our family of animal lovers. Would you like to see more? In the description, you'll find links to the videos of the top 10 most loyal, most intelligent, deadliest, most beautiful, tiniest dog breeds in the world, and many more. Let's keep our pets healthy and happy. Bye!